Looking to upgrade your home security with something truly smart and futuristic? The Aqara U400 smart lock brings next-level convenience, security, and seamless smart home integration right to your front door. This isn't just a regular smart lock. It uses ultra-wideband technology for incredibly precise, hands-free unlocking. As you approach your door with your phone or smartwatch, it can automatically unlock without even touching anything. It's fast, secure, and feels effortlessly modern. You also get multiple ways to unlock, including fingerprint recognition, passcodes, NFC tap, mobile apps, voice assistants, and even a traditional key for backup. So whether you prefer biometric access or smart control, it adapts to your lifestyle. Built on Matter over Thread, this lock works smoothly with major ecosystems like Apple Home, Alexa, Google Home, and Home Assistant. No need to worry about compatibility. It's designed to fit right into your smart home setup and even allows automation with other devices. The touchscreen keypad adds a sleek, modern touch while supporting anti-peep password protection for extra security. Plus, the rechargeable battery lasts up to 6 months on a single charge, so you won't be constantly worrying about power. With its durable IP65 rated design, it's built to handle real-world conditions while keeping your home secure and accessible at all times. If you want a smart lock that combines cutting-edge technology with everyday practicality, this is definitely one of the most advanced options available right now. Click the link below for the best price.